Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post videos related with app. And in today's Instagram video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can use Linktree on your Instagram so you guys can add multiple links on your Instagram, alright? So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So first step, what you want to do is go to Linktree, the website of Linktree. So this is the website of Linktree, which is called linktr.ee, which is the official website of Linktree, and log in into your account. And once you go to the official website of Linktree and log in into a Linktree account, your Linktree account is going to be displayed over here like this. And once you go to Linktree and log in into your account, you can see the share button at the top right corner. Click on it and click on copy at the bottom. Now what you did was you copied the link of your Linktree. Now how much link you add over here, those are the links which are going to be displayed on your Instagram, alright? So I've added my YouTube's link and my website's link, but if you want to add some more, you can click on add new link over here and add some extra link, but I'm fine with 2 links. So once you do that, you can go back to your Instagram accounts over here and then click on your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you click on the profile, it's going to bring you over here. Over here, click on edit profile, and over here you can see website, and over here where it says website, paste the link which you just copied from your Linktree, click on done. Once you click on done at the top right corner, wait for some time, and once you finishes up over here, the Linktree link is going to be shown. Right under break, there's a link. If somebody clicks on that link, they're going to be taken to my Linktree where it's going to show all these links. If I want to go to my website, I can click on website and it's going to take me to my website. If I click on YouTube, it's going to take me to my YouTube, just like this. So that's how we guys can use Linktree on our Instagram to add multiple links. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.